You know, some words we use every single day seem so simple. Take the word straight. Easy, right? Well, maybe not. Today, we're going to dig in and see just how surprisingly complex this common little word really is. You ready? Let's do it. So, first off, how important is this word anyway? Well, according to the Simple English Wiktionary, it's actually one of the top 1,000 most common words in English. I mean, think about that. That puts it right up there with the words we absolutely can't live without. We hear it and say it all the time. Okay, so it's super common. But here's the twist. Just because it's common doesn't mean it's simple. Nope. This one little word, straight, it actually plays a few different roles in our language. Its meaning can flip completely depending on the situation. So, yeah, let's start peeling back those layers. All right, so this word straight, it basically has three main jobs it does. We're going to break them all down, and we'll kick things off with its first big role, how it describes an action. Okay, job number one, straight as an adverb. Now, if you remember from school, an adverb is just a word that tells you how an action happens. And when straight is an adverb, it's all about telling us how something is moving. And the definition is, well, pretty straightforward. When something goes straight, it just keeps moving in one single direction. That's it. No turning, no bending, just straight ahead. And this example, oh, it's perfect. We've all heard this, right? No, not that road. Just keep driving straight. You instantly know what it means. Don't turn. Just keep going forward. It's a super clear, simple instruction, and that little adverb, straight, does all the heavy lifting. Okay, so that's the adverb, but straight can also switch gears and become something else entirely, an adjective. Adjectives, as you know, are describing words for people, places, and things. And believe it or not, straight has a couple of very different describing jobs. The first meaning, when it's an adjective, feels really similar to the adverb. But instead of describing how something moves, it describes the shape of something. You know, something that doesn't bend or curve, like a ruler or a perfectly straight arrow. This sentence totally paints a picture, doesn't it? He had had too much to drink and couldn't walk in a straight line. We can all picture that, right? Someone wobbling, trying to follow a path that doesn't bend or turn. The line is the thing being described as straight. But here's where it gets really interesting. The exact same word, still acting as an adjective, can mean something completely different. It's a meaning that has zero to do with lines or roads or anything physical. We're talking about a shift from physical shapes to social identity. Yep, here's the other definition. In this context, straight means heterosexual, attracted to the opposite sex. I mean, that is a huge leap from a straight line, isn't it? It just goes to show you how wild and flexible the English language can be. Okay, so we've seen straight describe an action, and we've seen it describe a thing. But can the word straight actually be a thing? The answer is yes, it can be a noun, but it's only in a pretty specific situation. Any poker players out there? You'll know this one for sure. In poker, a straight isn't just describing the cards. It's the actual name of the hand. It's a noun. It's the name of a thing you are holding. This example nails it. A 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in your hand, that whole set of cards is literally called a straight. It's the noun, the name for that specific combination. So yeah, the idea is super simple. All you need are 5 cards in a row, number-wise. The suits don't even matter. And that's it. You've built yourself a straight. So what's the big lesson here after looking at all these different uses? It's all about context, right? The words you use around the word straight are what tell you exactly what it means. It's honestly kind of wild when you stop and think about it. One word doing 3 totally different jobs. As an adverb, it tells you where to go. As an adjective, it can describe a ruler or a person's identity. And as a noun, it's a winning hand in poker. That's a lot of work for one little word. And all this leaves me wondering, if a word as simple as straight can have all these different lives, what other words are we using every single day that have these hidden complexities we just haven't noticed yet? It just proves that even with the basics of English, there's always more to explore.